We're past the halfway point of the school year, and you may have noticed that your students are running low on energy and enthusiasm. There's a word for what they have. It's called the school doldrums. Yes, it is contagious, and yes, you might have it too. Thankfully, there is an easy and effective cure for the doldrums. The cure is called engagement, and variety is what we use to engage students in learning. The truth is, not every student is captivated by every instructional strategy we use, but when we use a variety of instructional strategies, it's easier for individual students to find something that works for them. We know you've heard that variety is the spice of life. Well, variety can spice up your lesson plans. Adding something new and different will help your students actively engage in the learning process. What can you do now that takes very little planning time but provides varied and engaging instruction? Start by taking a look at your variety and engagement roadmap. For example, collaboration through partnerships is one of the best ways to achieve engagement. Students crave social interaction with each other. Classroom partnerships can be fun, effective, and easy to implement. Simply take your existing lesson plans and find ways to let students do the work in pairs or small groups. Another easy option is to tap into the arts. Ask students to draw a picture to illustrate a concept instead of just writing down the words. When students draw what they are learning, they are more mindful of the details and notice things they might have otherwise overlooked. Games for learning? Absolutely. Playing classroom games is fun, and when your students enjoy what they are learning, they tend to want to learn more. Game strategies transform your classroom from one of passive knowledge consumption to one of active engagement that promotes critical thinking and problem solving. And the games don't need to be complicated. A little friendly classroom competition can be just the pick me up that some students need. Instructional variety just makes sense. Using a variety of strategies that encourage engagement helps the teacher focus on student behaviors and invites the teacher to join in the fun. Our reward is a classroom with students who are busy, challenged, and actively thinking. A school year is a lot like a marathon, and you'll want to stay in it for the long run. It's true that the doldrums will soon be replaced by spring fever and then senioritis. Thankfully, the engagement strategies you use now will work for whatever ails your students throughout the entire school year. Thank you for making a difference for your students through your varied and motivating classroom instruction and for your participation in the Spartan Project.